Subject English Standard 4. The first poem, Rain in the Night, written by Amelia Josephine Burr. Children, there are 4 stanzas in the poem with 4 lines in each stanza. Just like how we have sentences in the lesson, we have lines in the poem. In lesson we have paragraph and in poem we have stanza. As we all know, we are already in this beautiful season of monsoon and this poem is just apt for the moment. So let's get started. The first stanza. Raining, raining all night long. It means the whole night it had been raining and the poet is observing the rain. Sometimes loud, sometimes soft. Sometimes it rains very loudly, means heavily with powerful thunder and lightning. Sometimes soft, means at times it rains softly. It's just drizzling, very less rain. Just like a song. The sound of the rain is just like a song. Somebody singing a wonderful melodious song and the poet is enjoying it. The second stanza. There will be rivers in the gutters. Gutters means channels at the edge of a street that carry off water. The gutters are overflooded due to the rainwater. You cannot see the gutters anywhere, but it looks like rivers are flowing on the road. And lakes along the street means there are potholes everywhere on the road and they are filled with rainwater and so appears like lakes. It will make our lazy Kitty wash his little dirty feet. Kitty. Kitty is the young one of a cat. It is called as kitten. If you notice, a kitty is always lazy, sleeping whole day. So the poet is calling it as lazy kitty. In case the kitty goes out of the house, all the mud will be on his feet and it will have to wash his dirty feet. Here we come to the third stanza. The roses will wear diamonds like kings and queens at court. When the raindrops fall on the petals of roses, they look like diamonds. Just like how the kings and queens have diamonds on their crowns. So here the water drops of the rain appears like diamonds. What is court? A court is a place in the palace where the king and queen sit and have their meetings with the people of their kingdom. But the pansies all get muddy because they are so short. Pansies means small plants or their flowers. The flowers have purple, yellow or white velvety petals. So the pansies get muddy because they are small in size. All the mud comes over them which makes them look dull and dirty. The last stanza. I'll sail my boat tomorrow in wonderful new places. Children, have you made boats out of paper any time and enjoyed sailing it in water? Yes, just like that, the poet is planning to make paper boat the next day. Tomorrow means the next day, and wants to sail it in lovely new places. But first I'll take my watering pot. But before she sails the boat, she has an important task to be done. What is that task? Correct. She is going to take her watering pot. Watering pot is a vessel used in the garden to pour water to the plants and wash the pansies' faces. The pansies which have got muddy because of the rain, the poet wants to clean them so that they look beautiful again. So the poet has very beautifully described the different changes that take place in our surroundings when it rains. So students, wasn't it a lovely poem? Now we shall have the reading of the poem. But before that, I want to tell you about the two words which are written in short form. There'll, the full form is there will. The next word, I'll. The full form is I will. Now here in the poem we are going to read it as there'll, I'll. Children, now you have to repeat after me. Rain in the night. Raining, raining, all night long, sometimes loud, sometimes soft, just like a song. There will be rivers in the gutters and lakes along the street. It will make our lazy kitty wash his little dirty feet. The roses will wear diamonds like kings and queens at court. But the pansies all get muddy because they are so short. I'll sail my boat tomorrow in wonderful new places. But first I'll take my watering pot and wash the pansies' faces. Now I want you to take a pencil and underline the hard words in your book. So be ready. The first word in the first line, raining. Sometimes, gutters, street, lazy, kitty, dirty, diamonds, pansies, muddy. Tomorrow, wonderful, watering pot, faces. Now you have underlined all the words. Next we have the homework. Homework for today is you will learn and write the poem one time in your English notebook with a neat handwriting. And the second homework is you will write the hard words 5 times in CW book. So children, don't forget to complete your homework. Thank you.